This video will show you how to replace the weather strip on a Siteline wood double-hung window. First, let's replace the lower sash weather strip. You will need to remove the lower sash. Once the sash is removed, pull the weather strip from the bottom rail. Next, cut a new piece to length. Now, press the new piece of weather strip into the kerf in the rail. There is one piece of weather strip on the bottom rail and two on each of the stiles on the lower sash. Replace one at a time and make sure to replace with like weather strip. Now, remove the upper sash and replace the upper sash weather strip in the same manner. There will be one piece on the check rail and two pieces on each stile. Finally, let's replace the headstop weather strip. Press the spline from the bulb weather strip back into the kerf in the wood head parting stop. Finally, reinstall both sashes and test for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com. Or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.